Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how Calendly's Round Robin works and how you can set it up. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the Calendly homepage. From there, click on the Create button in the top corner and then select Round Robin from the options. You'll see a pop-up asking you to invite users, but before that, let me quickly explain how Round Robin works. Round Robin is a scheduling method that automatically spreads meetings across your team. Calendly keeps track of how many meetings each person has. If someone has significantly more meetings than others, their availability is temporarily limited. This helps keep things balanced and make sure no one gets overloaded. Now back to the setup. In the pop-up, enter the email addresses of the team members you want to include. Make sure everything is correct to avoid any issues. Once you've added the emails, click Next. On the next screen, you can assign roles. You can choose between user and admin. Users have basic access, while admins can manage schedules and settings. After reviewing everything, click on Send Invitation. Your team members will receive an email with a link to join. And that's it. That's how Calendly Round Robin works and how you can set it up. Thanks for watching.